Smoothies are a popular and delicious way to pack in essential nutrients and start your day off right. Whether you're looking for a quick and healthy breakfast or a refreshing post-workout snack, making your own smoothie only takes 5 minutes and allows you to customize it to your taste. To get started, gather your ingredients. The base of your smoothie will typically be a liquid, such as milk or plant-based alternatives, like almond milk or coconut water. Next, choose your fruits and vegetables. Options like bananas, berries, spinach, and kale are all excellent choices for adding flavor and nutritional value. You can also opt to include additional add-ins, such as nuts, seeds, or even a scoop of protein powder for an extra boost. Once you have your ingredients ready, it's time to blend. Start by adding your liquid base and then gradually add in your fruits, vegetables, and any other desired add-ins. Blend everything together until smooth and creamy. One of the benefits of making your own smoothie is the ability to experiment with different flavors and combinations. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, consider adding a natural sweetener like honey or dates. On the other hand, if you like a tangy kick, a splash of citrus juice or some Greek yogurt can do the trick. Remember that portion sizes matter. While smoothies can be healthy, they can also be high in calories if you're not mindful of your ingredients. Measure out your portions and try to balance the amount of fruits, vegetables, and other add-ins for a well-rounded smoothie. In just 5 minutes, you'll have a delicious and nutritious smoothie that you can enjoy any time of the day. Whether you're a fan of fruity blends or prefer a green and leafy taste, the possibilities are endless when it comes to making your own smoothies. So, grab your blender and start blending your way to a healthier and tastier lifestyle.